girl Summer is here, Mamacita. Do not sleep nor slumber, okay? Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome to another video with your girl. And if you've seen the thumbnail already, if you've seen the title already, then you already know what's that. Needed something else, you know what I'm saying? Then I came across this and I said, well, how you doing, baby? You know, how you doing? And she was so cute, y'all. Hold on, let me see if I can do this flawlessly. And she was just looking at me like, so I had to pick her up. Yeah, y'all gonna see. But this is what it looks like, and y'all gonna see the process of it. Super cute. I'm super hyped to wear it, and if y'all are interested, just go ahead and keep on watching, and thanks for tuning in. Hey y'all, so I finally got done everything. I just did my makeup and I'm cracking up because I did this look to go to the middle, right? So this is what it's been looking like, and this hair is so gorgeous. I just literally am in love. This is what the lace is looking like, y'all. Okay, this is what it's looking like. If I wanted to do a little pull up action, you know what I'm saying? If I wanted to do a pull up, a little tail. So this is Lucy. I'm gonna tell y'all about the hair while I try and part on the side. Oh, matter of fact, let me get a deep part. This is, ooh, they said you thought you was gonna have a deep part. No, honey. This is from Lucy Hair. This is from Amazon. Yes, honey, we get everything from Amazon in our hair, honey, So this is from Amazon. Only thing that I will say about the hair is that I wish it had more parting. Like, it's legitly made almost for a middle part. Look how easy it was to comb that out. It's almost made for a middle part. So even if I want the part here, right there is literally tracks. So tread lightly. If you think you about to part this everywhere, you got the wrong wig. Synthetic. The curls did come with the wig. I've had a wig like this that had like already pre-curls. I did watch a video on this hair and somebody has straightened all the curls out and it was super pretty. But I'm like, I just popped this open. Like, I'm not finna to straighten it already. Like, let me straighten it when I get bored or if I'm over the curls. So this kind of hair I've had shorter, and literally all you have to do, look at this, look at all, like, it's like, all you have to do is take a piece, separate it, and don't ask me if it's yet, girl. You know it sheds. It's synthetic, baby. It's gonna shed. Okay? If you get any hair that don't shed, I don't know what kind of hair it is. Let's be honest. All this hair out here sheds. Alright, so I just kind of twirl it up. Into itself and bring it down. And then kind of, hello, how we doing? The free parting is right here. It was about $36, $7, $8. I'll try and leave the link below. So everyone can have pastel hair, honey. I know this is not everybody's cup of tea, but I am chocolate and this pastel hair is giving me something. It's talking to me. We're having conversations. You know what I'm saying? It's leading the conversation, baby. Okay. This is how long it is. So I will say it's about 20 inches. I don't know if it necessarily says how long it is online. And of course, if you straighten it, it'll be longer than this. But it's about 20 inches. I'll give it like 22, maybe 20, maybe 24 when it's straightened. But again, like it's in layers. So also, it looks like random small hairs. Okay, so I'm gonna try and smooth it out. I sadly don't have one of them hot combs that I'm definitely finna order today, but I just smoothed it out. And honestly, I could spray some my got to be glued like on there. Let's go ahead. Then by the time I wrap my hair up, it'll flatten and it should look good. It's so pretty. What do y'all think? Let me know what y'all think. Leave a comment in the comment section. Alright, so I just decided to put it half up, half down to see what it would look like. And it's turning out to be pretty cute. So I wanted you guys to be able to see like what also the hair can do with the half up and half down. Okay, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was such a fun video for me. I was super excited to film this for you guys. If you're loving this, like I'm loving this, definitely leave me a comment and a like and share it with somebody else. Like, girl, this hair will be bomb on you just like it is on her, honey. Or share it and you be like, yo, look at this girl with this purple hair. Who she think she is? Hot girl summer is here, mamacita. Do not sleep nor slumber, okay? All right, back to it. So thank you again for watching. I love the support. I really appreciate it. This is just me, 100% me. Of course, if you're looking for this makeup look, I didn't record it. I didn't record it, and I apologize. If you like it, let me know. And it was super easy and super fun. So just let me know if you like the makeup look and I'll record it for you guys. It's no problem. It ain't nothing but a word. It ain't nothing but a thing. Okay? Alright, y'all. Be safe. Be hot. Be sexy. Feel good. Be yourself. Get creative during this time. Don't see my new ring? Oh. Get creative during this time and stay safe. I'll catch you on the new video. Thanks for watching.